Now, this is how you can capture good voice on your iPhone. So the first thing you should know is that the built-in voice memo app is going to be good enough for it. The more important thing is the microphone that you are using. So you can use the built-in microphone of your iPhone, or you might as well just pair some different professional one through the USB-C cable. Essentially, what you need to pay attention to is the waves, the audio waves, whenever you are recording a voice memo on the iPhone. So when you start a new recording, you want to make sure that you are in the full screen so you can see the waves perfectly. And you want to make sure that you're not too loud that it would like reach the edge of this. But you also want to make sure that you're not too quiet. So you should be close enough to the microphone, but not like really be close that the sound gets muffled. So yeah, just do that and try to be in like this normal range where you're not touching the edge with the wavelengths and also you're not very close to the middle. So the sound actually ends up being usable. As I say, it depends on the microphone that you use. So it depends if you have like the cable earpods, these might work well, or even some microphones, third-party ones, whatever. However, if you finish the voice recording, you still have the ability to enhance the voice. So when you click on the edit recording, you have the ability to trim it down and add some options here as well. But the edit button here has the ability to enhance the recording. So it just performs some in the background stuff to make it sound a bit better. So you can do that and it's going to make sure that the voice is actually captured in a nice way, and hopefully you're going to be happy with the result. So let me know below if you found this video helpful. Hit the thumbs up if you did, and subscribe for more straight to the point tutorials like this one on our Foxtecc YouTube channel. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.